Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a challenge. The first thing you'll want to do is create a challenge name. Next, you'll want to select a challenge type. By clicking on the question mark next to challenge types, you can pull up a list of our challenge types with a brief descriptor of each. There are image-based challenge types, text-based challenge types, and so on. We recommend using a variety of challenge types within your mission to keep your users engaged. Today, we're going to make an AR picker. On the right-hand side of my screen, you can see my challenge icon. Click and drag your challenge icon to place it somewhere within your mission map boundaries. You can toggle your scan radius on to see exactly where your players will need to be in order to reveal the challenge. As we continue to scroll down the challenge overview page, we'll come to the pre-challenge info. Your pre-challenge text may be a fun fact or some information that might be helpful with the upcoming question. To add a pre-challenge image, you can choose a file from your own computer, or you can search the Encyclopedia of Life library. You can search the Encyclopedia of Life using the common name or the scientific name. If you see an image that you like, click, crop, and select. Next, we'll need to create our question. You can add as many answers as you would like, and you can toggle your true answers to true. And you can leave your false answers toggled to false. The final piece to creating a mission is the post-challenge info. This may be a takeaway statement or a question that you'd like your players to consider further. Again, you can add a post-challenge image by pulling a photo from your own computer or by searching the Encyclopedia of Life. Once you have selected an image for your post-challenge image, you can scroll down and save and publish, or you can save it as a draft. And that is how you create a challenge. You can find more tutorial videos like this one on our YouTube page.